secondary air deleted, which I said in the last video, and I mentioned that I was going to also delete or upgrade the PCV system. So I made a quick video on what I did. If it helps with anybody, I use the 034 kit. It comes with the crankcase breather hose, the valve cover breather hose, the connection tube between them. It's a metal tube, so it's totally up to you whether you use it or not. You don't need to. It comes with the pipe that actually deletes the T. I don't know if people know it very well, but there's a T in the middle, and they're known for breaking, along with the plastic PCV valves, which I actually broke one, so that's why I did the upgrade. It comes with a billet PCV, and then just a couple other miscellaneous hoses, so I made a quick video of that. And I also, I'm still waiting on the dyno. All my local shops are either booked out or not currently using the dyno because of the EPA thing. So here's a quick video on doing the PCV upgrade. Please stay tuned. I'm trying to get onto the dyno, and as soon as I do, I'm going to keep going with it. So please stay tuned and give me a like, maybe a subscribe. The secondary air is finally fully deleted, so I got that hose all taken care of, and it's all by itself. Instead of having the second pipe hanging off right here, it was welded right here and right here, so I grinded those off and then just threw a layer of black engine paint on those. And then I got the valve off, and you can see right there the CTS Turbo block off plate. The broken hose where the breather was is now a silicone 034 along with the metal pipe that it connected to, and then that goes down under the intake manifold down there, and that is now a silicone 034 Motorsport hose. And it actually deleted the T hose. You can't see it at the moment, it was down in there. And then off of that, you can kind of see it right there, it goes to a billet aluminum PCV valve instead of the plastic T, and deleted this guy right here, and then it comes with that little cap, and then that comes up to right here on the intake manifold, and that is also a 034 Motorsport silicone hose. Along with that, I did a new coolant expansion tank, because I don't know if I said it or not in the last video, this nipple was broken off and it was leaking coolant all the time, so I got that fixed, and then a new hose clamp on there. And now I just got to get the secondary air tuned out, but I'm now having a starting issue where it doesn't even turn over. It just, the key will turn as many times as I want to the start position, and it does nothing but click a relay. So I'm currently trying to diagnose that. But that's just a quick update on that, because I said I'd post a video about it. So as soon as I get that secondary air code tuned out, it'll be going to the dyno. So